Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 1. The blessed Lord said, "They, wise people, speak of the indestructible Ashwatha tree having its roots above and branches below, whose leaves are the Vedas. He who knows it, he alone is a Veda knower."
Chapter 15, Shloka 1. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Urdhvamulam Adashakam Ashwattam Prahur Avyayam Chandamsi Yasya Parnani Yastam Vedasa Vedavit.
Chapter 15, Shloka 1. In the earlier chapters, it was explained that the multiplicity is but a projection on the infinite, and all the sorrows are due to the misapprehensions of the reality. Also, that the knower of the field minus the field is the pure awareness. In this chapter, the true nature of the spirit will be explained. The unknown can be indicated only in terms of the known. No effect can exist without a cause. Without cotton cause, no cloth effect can exist, and wherever there is cloth effect, it is sustained by cotton cause, which is the material cause. Spirit is defined as the imperishable with reference to the perishable equipments of matter. With reference to change, the spirit is called changeless. In this chapter, it will be explained how the experiencer of the infinite changes is other than what we know as the changeless. That unconditional eternal factor is called the Purushottama and is the greatest secret. He who, without confusion, knows the Lord as the Supreme Person knows all. The man of wisdom is thus the knower of the perishable and the imperishable, and recognized by Krishna as the knower of Vedas, the whole truth. While the simile of the peepal tree, the relationship of the tree of life with the infinite is explained. It is called Ashwatha, meaning that which will not remain same till tomorrow. Tree is called Vriksha, meaning that which can be cut down. The tree of multiplicity, which has seemingly sprung from the infinite consciousness divine, can be cut down by shifting our attention from the tree to the divine. The tree of samsara has its roots up in the divine consciousness. A tree holds itself up and gets nourished by its roots. Similarly, the experiences of change and the experiencer of them all are all established in the infinite and draw their nourishment from it alone. The subtler and the diviner has a higher place of reverence compared to the grocer belonging to a lower status. Hence, the tree is pictured with the roots above. The leaves are compared with the Vedas, which mean knowledge. The larger the number of branches and leaves, the greater is the tree's dimension and growth. Similarly, where there is greater knowledge, there we are sure to find a greater flare of manifest life. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.